My name is Waqar Naseem Ahmed, and I'm the International Trade Manager for the Arab Factory for Industry and the Arab Group of Companies. We are about 45 years old company in Saudi Arabia, and we are proudly one of the best known companies in the field of plastic pipes, PVC, CPVC and PPR. And also we are proudly presenting one of our hot favorite product, that is the top brand in Saudi Arabia right now, is Weld Arab. And Weld Arab we are proudly producing from last 3 years, that we are presenting over here in the Jeddah Construct. Actually, we are a very well-known company in Saudi Arabia, but currently we are looking for the new contractors and the new builders. You know, Saudi Arabia is a very rapidly growing market in Neom, in Red Sea, in Qiddiya, in different regions of Saudi Arabia. So our main objective is to find new builders, and I'm quite happy the traffic is coming and coming and coming. It's a massive. Saudi Arabia is the hotspot for this construction. It's better than ever. It's better than ever. The Saudi leadership, thanks to the Saudi leadership, Mohammed bin Salman and King Salman and the Vision 2030, all the attraction of the world is now on Saudi Arabia. Jeddah is now under construction. It is near to the Neom, the Red Sea. So I must say this year it's a massive success. Yes, I had met several of them, and we are going to sign some contracts with them very soon.